I'm Shalini.
Hello, my name is Anmol Tiwari.
Hello, I'm Kavita.
Hi, I'm Pinky.
I have been working in IndieWork as digital marketing consultant for over 8 years now.
I joined IndieWork Software Solutions as a web developer since 5 months ago.
I have been with IndieWorks Software Solutions for 10 months as a digital marketing executive.
I am working as a digital marketer at IndieWork from last 1 year. Now I can honestly say it's been an amazing journey here.
I have joined IndieWork as a SEO consultant and then got the opportunity to learn paid advertisement that I really wanted to do. If I have to say the best thing about the company, then that will be the flexible working hours, supportive and encouraging environment, and endless opportunity to expand your skill set. If you are looking for a place where you can unleash your creativity, grow your skills and be the part of something truly innovative, then this is the right place for you.
I have learned lot of skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and WordPress here. I talk about my work environment. The work environment is very friendly. Our team leader and colleagues are very helpful and courageous to me. I am learning things at very fast pace here.
In this firm, I have had the opportunity to work on various platforms like BigCommerce and Shopify, which have greatly improved my skills as a digital marketer.
From learning new digital marketing techniques and working with amazing colleagues, it's been a journey filled with growth and excitement.
If you could swap your job with anyone for a day, who would it be and why, Shalini?
If I got the opportunity, then I definitely want to switch my job with a developer. Actually, I want to learn the developing skills, but not for a day. I want to switch my job for a long time so that I can learn the developing skills as well, because I have the interest in that field as well.
Okay, so which skill do you want for next Anmol?
As for now, I have learned front-end development here. So now I want to learn back-end technologies like PHP and SQL database.
Okay, Kavita, so which skill are you eager to develop, contribute even more efficiently?
I would like to develop my technical SEO skills and PPC marketing so I can contribute more efficiently.
Pinky, how have you seen yourself grow both professionally and personally?
Professionally, I have experienced amazing growth and I am able to understand our industry to learn new things and improve my skills. Personally, I have become independent and adaptable, and I am learning new things while maintaining a positive attitude.